English subject. Okay, so now till unit 4 we have completed the syllabus. Now we are going to start our unit 5, that is poem The Lazy Frog. First of all, I need to explain one thing, that the situation which we were facing before these days. So in that we were at home only. We were not moving outside anywhere. Okay, so as the schools open, okay, now the schools open, all are busy in the studies, playing and all. Okay, so I know some of the students are become lazy. Okay, see, as we were not having the habit to go to the school, now suddenly it came that we need to go to the school. Okay, so now as we are coming to the school, sometimes some students are feeling lazy, right? And if we talk about the current scenario, many people are there who are very lazy. So as we came to know, as a word said, the lazy many a times, it means this poem is all depend on, is totally based on the lazy frog. So here is a story, like in the poem there is a story of the lazy frog who is very lazy. So we are going to see in this poem what kind of laziness a frog had. Okay, so we are going to see that Fred is a very lazy frog. Here, as we were having the name, even the frog is also have the name, that is Fred. So Fred is very a lazy frog. He is very lazy. Very lazy means it's too lazy. Okay, so what kind of laziness he is having? Who lolls all the day upon a log? Lolls and a log. All log, you all know. This is the tree. Okay, the trunk, this part of the tree, if we cut it, okay, so this becomes a log. It means the trunk part of the tree, when we cut down, that this becomes a log. So all the time, you can see into the picture also, all the time frog lies on the log. Okay, lolls means to lie somewhere, मतलब पड़े रहना आराम से, totally laziness, no need to feel to go here and there. Okay, so always he was lying on the log, upon the log, पूरा दिन log के ऊपर वो पड़ा रहता था. Okay, he always manages to shriek. Now shriek means to avoid something. Okay, it means to do something but you are not doing. आपको बोला जाता है करने के लिए but you are not doing. Suppose कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि लाइक मम्मा ऑलवेज शाउट्स, बेटा कम हियर, डू हेल्प टू मी, कम हियर, डू दिस थिंग, कीप दिस थिंग ओवर देयर, राइट? सो श्रिक मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. उसको बोला जाता था, देन ऑल्सो ही वॉज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. ओके, सो ही ऑलवेज मैनेजेस टू श्रिक, वो हमेशा अवॉइड करता था. ही वॉज नॉट डूइंग द वर्क, then doing a single stroke of a work, same thing. एक भी काम अगर उसको दिया जाता था, he was like सुन के भी अनसुना करता था. He was not in the mood to do anything. Okay, he was that lazy. इतना lazy था कि कोई अगर उसको बोलता भी था तो he was not doing anything. He was not doing any botheration of anything. Okay, तो वो कुछ करता ही नहीं था. जो उसे काम दिया जाता था, he just let to go. वो अवॉइड ही करता था, वो हमेशा टाल देता था. ओके, आज नहीं, कल करूँगा, आज नहीं, ऐसे करूँगा. ओके, सो ऑल द टाइम ही वॉज मैनेजेस टू डू द श्रिक. ऑलवेज वो श्रिक ही करता था, मीन्स वो अनसुना कर देता या तो फिर ध्यान ही नहीं देता था. ओके, सी नाउ व्हाट हैपन, his poor old mother calls in vain, come in and help. He does not bother to move 2 inches. Much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing, he lies there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. Now his mother always calls him, come and help me. Now in vain means uselessly. In vain means uselessly. In vain means uselessly. So his mother always call him, बेटा come and help me. Okay, but उसके लिए क्या था वो कि like let it be, नहीं जाना मुझे, भले बुलाते रहे. He does not bother. Bother means he was not paying attention. Okay, he was not paying attention. Bother means to pay attention. Okay, to pay attention. So now his mother always calls him and says that come and help me, but he never bother it. वो उनको ऐसा ही उसके लिए वो यूजलेस था. ओके उसके लिए कैसा था कि उसकी मम्मा अगर बुलाते तो इट्स यूजलेस. ही वॉज नॉट बॉदरिंग कि ऑलवेज मम्मा सेड टू कम एंड हेल्प मी. सो ही वॉज नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन वॉट एवर शी वॉज टेलिंग टू him. Okay, so now to move to int is much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. Now preferring means he was not prefer to go. Okay, means to better. उसे क्या अच्छा लगता था, वो क्या प्रेफर करता था कि वो 2 इंच भी ना हिले. Okay, if he was lying on the log, okay, so if mother is calling, he was not bothering for anything. He prefers that I should not move at least for 2 inch. देखो लिखा है to move to 2 inch. उसको क्या बेटर लगता था कि no one call me. If they calls also I am not going to move. At least he was not moving a 2 inch also. So he to be extremely hard of hearing. Hard of hearing means he was not bothering. He feels like he is deaf. Okay, he pretend like he is a deaf. Now ऐसा होता है कई बार, लाइक कुछ लोग ऐसे बहुत लेजी होते हैं. सो दे प्रिटेंड लाइक, जैसे हम किसी को कुछ वर्क देते हैं अगर उनको नहीं करना होता है, सो दे प्रिटेंड लाइक आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर दो दे आर एबल टू हियर इट. ओके, सो द frog was, what he was doing, he was pretending. Okay, he was pretending that I am not able to hear. Okay, so now we'll see. He lies there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. So he lies all the time. He was lies as a silent heap. वो उस तरीके से ऐसे लेटा हुआ होता था, मतलब सो जाता था, तो उसका एक ट्रायंगल शेप बन जाता था जिसे हम लोग हीप कहते हैं. ओके, ऐसा ट्रायंगल हीप बना के वो सो जाता था. और उसके लिए क्या कन्वीनियंट होता था, ऑल द टाइम ही शुड स्लीप. ओके, so he was very lazy. He was not bothered what mother was telling to him to do anything, and he was pretending that he is a deaf. He is not able to listen. He is not able to hear anything. Now we'll see what happened. If a lady frog hops past, you had think he would get up at last. Now what you अब क्या होता है देखो, a lady frog, he was passing from that side where the frog was sleeping. Okay, so from that a lady was passing, so we thought कि might be he would get up at last, कि अगर वहाँ से lady frog जा रही है so might be he can get up. Okay, but to go and help her on her way, but no, I am ashamed to say that even a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. Now what happens, see, though the lady frog was there, so we thought might be he will go and he will go down, he will greet her and he will help to her, कि वो उसको मदद करेगा, उसको ग्रीट करेगा. बट हमने क्या देखा, that he was that much lazy that even he has not opened his one eye. वहाँ से लेडी फ्रॉग जा रही थी, उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए भी नहीं गया. इवन उसने एक आई ओपन करके भी नहीं देखी कि दैट लेडी फ्रॉग वाज गोइंग नियर बाय मी. ही वाज दैट मच लेजी. He was very rude. He was not behaving properly with her mother. For any work, if we are calling to him, he was not listening. He was pretending like he is a deaf. Okay, so this poem was for the very lazy frog. He was too lazy. He don't want to do anything. Just he wants to lie down on the log, and no one can disturb to him. He was not having any botheration. उसको किसी चीज़ की नहीं पड़ी थी. Whether the people are asking to come, whether his mother was asking to come and do this work, he was not bothering. He was pretending that he was a deaf. Okay, so now this poem was written by anonymous. Now anonymous means what? Here a poet who does not want to show his name. It means like I am a poet. Okay, suppose I have written the poem, but I don't want to show my name. I don't want to let poem. That's why the word comes anonymous. Anonymous means a poet who does not want to show his name that he has written the poem. Okay. So word ashamed. Here ashamed means to say sorry. He was feeling sorry that even a lady frog was passing through. He was not able to stand and do the help. I hope you have understood the whole poem properly. Okay, now we'll see the new words. I have written in that also, but now I'll explain all the new words which are mentioned. Now see, lol. Lol means to lie around lazily. Means somewhere to lie around. Okay, एकदम बिना tension, freely एकदम सोए पड़े रहना without any tension. So log, as I've told you, log is a piece of a tree which has been cut. जो नीचे log होता है, जो tree का जो नीचे वाला part होता है, that is called the trunk. Okay, so trunk of tree that has been already cut. So shirk means to not to do something you should do. It means if you are giving some work to you to do, but you want to do but you are not doing, you are showing your laziness. Means not to do the work which is assigned to you. Now in vain means uselessly. You know, in vain we have used that his mother was calling all the time in vain. So what he felt that it is uselessly. I don't want to listen. Okay, उसके लिए वो क्या था कि उसकी मदर फालतू चिल्ला रही है उसके ऊपर, उसको बुला रही है. Prefer means to do like better. उसे क्या अच्छा लगता था? He prefer that all the time I should lie on the trunk on the log. Okay, उसे हमेशा पड़े रहना पसंद आता था. So means he feels better that. So that is known as prefer. Hard of hearing means a deaf. Always he pretend. Hard of hearing means वो हमेशा से pretend करता था कि उसे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. He pretends like he is a deaf. People are calling him for the help, but he is not listening all the time. He sleep only. Okay, so this was the poem. I hope you all have understand the poem and the hard words which was there. Okay, so just go through with the textbook once. If you have any doubt in the poem, we'll solve the doubts into the live lecture. Okay, till that time, good day and goodbye all of you.